And now, Seal Tech, brought to you by Steel Rubber Products, helping restore the car of your dreams.
When it comes to sealing up a vehicle with weather stripping, most people know that there's some certain areas that you have to spend time with. The front and back glass, everybody knows that you got to seal those up. The doors and the weather stripping around the windows, people know about that as well. But there is another area that is almost always overlooked, even by a lot of professional restorers. And I'm talking about the bumpers and the adjusters around the doors, under the hood, in the trunk, around the glove box, that kind of thing. Okay, the first thing we need to explain is, why are the bumpers and adjusters important? Well, the adjusters help establish the fitment of your doors or hood or trunk lid. The rubber bumpers keep the hood, the doors, or panels from moving or squeaking or vibrating when they're closed. So they definitely serve a purpose. The problem is, a lot of people will finish up a paint job and then they'll feel on those bumpers and go, those don't feel too bad. And then they put them back on, not realizing that they are hard as a rock, they're completely compressed, and they're doing virtually nothing. Man, don't fall for this way of thinking. Replacement bumpers and adjusters are cheap, they're easy to find, they're easy to put on. So make sure you're replacing them. Now, the big question is, what if you're working on something really odd and you can't find any direct replacements? Well, you're going to have to get creative and either make your own or dig through a Steel Universal catalog and just see what you can come up with. Now, I know these little rubber bumpers and adjusters aren't nearly as impressive as all the big stuff that you're going to be putting on your project, but they are extremely important to getting your body panels to fit correctly, so don't overlook them. Matter of fact, it's those little kind of details that makes the difference between a quality build and something that's just hacked together.